Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are discussing about our group project. Uh, Subject MN601 Network Project Management. Assignment 3, it is a group assignment. And I'm going to say about the introduction of the project, and it is called overview of the project. The diversity strategy, which are we are going to reconstruct it in the living conditions in the city by promoting sustainability, efficiency, and technology. The main aim of the main aim of the reconstructing of this diversity is nothing but about the minimizing carbon footprints, as well as the integrating the latest technologies, like by involving the latest technologies, including in it in the field of development, conservation. The aim is to protect the people with the best life quality ever, which in return accelerate the pace of economic development and preserve the environment. This strategy may useful in the future development, like future constructing projects also. Uh, through a multi programmed approach, like compromising IoT sensors integrations, like using the developing IT and etc. It's also like adapting green infrastructure and go green, uh, green challenges, which encouraging the green challenges to overcome to overcome the nature, to overcome the nature, shining the smart city with innovative methodologies. That's also a model for the smart city in the future. The next slides are going to explain by my teammate and my friend Ajay.
Hi everyone. My project is about project scope. The plan is intended to reach the lowest carbon footprint possible, and at the same time, it wishes to be the smartest cities through technology. It aspires to achieve by stressing sustainability and keeping pace with technological progress, and aims to set worldwide networks. And the Trans Smart City initiative aims to ensure trans cities around the lowest carbon footprint and smartest cities around the which all big city services are digitally integrated, including the latest technological solutions. In this project scope, we have deliverables, milestones, limitations. In deliverables, linking networked lot sensors with a smart devices and contemporary exploration and provision of a single data analytics platform. And milestones, we have a project planning and approval, infrastructure deployment, data analytics platform development, smart infrastructure implementation, community engagement and training, evaluation of optimizations. Limitations of this project are budget, budget constraints and technological dependence, environment aligned social considerations. In budget, we have lack of budget and other projects may encounter ultimately. Environmental considerations, the project should take into, we have a less positive towards a local community. And next slide will continue by Akhil.
Hello, myself Akhil, and my contribution about this project is stakeholder analysis for the smart city project. Here we can see the stakeholders' roles, interest, and influence. Stakeholders like government authorities and the role to provide regulatory oversight, funding, and policy support for smart city initiatives. And their interests are enhance infrastructure, improve service delivery, and promote economic development. And of course, the influence is high. Next, the local residents, such as end users of smart city services and infrastructure, and their interest about improved quality of life, enhanced public services, and increased community engagement. And of course, the influence is moderate, business community, and the role to provide expertise technology solutions and investment opportunities for smart city projects. And their interests are about business opportunities, access to new markets, and innovation collaboration. And the influence in this is moderate to high. Academic research institutions and their role as to contribute expertise, research findings, and innovation to smart city development. And of course, the influence of like advancement of knowledge, research collaborations, and technology transfer opportunities. And the influence is, of course, moderate. And stakeholders like non-governmental organizations relate to the role to advocate for community interests, environmental sustainability, and social equity. And their interests are like ensure the inclusion of marginalized groups, promote environmental conversation, and advocate for transparent governance. And finally, we can see the influence is moderate. And next is going to explain by one of our group mates.
Hi. Coming to work breakdown structure of Darwin City project, we have consist of six divided structures, which consists of project planning and approval, infrastructure development and data analytics and platform development. And fourth one is smart infrastructure in implementation and community engagement and training. And the last one is evaluation and optimization. In that we have initial planning, securing approvals, and site preparation and installation of IoT sensors and devices in the development infrastructure planning. And coming to data analytics planning, system design and platform development. In smart infrastructure in implementation, transportation and energy infrastructure, and we have management in the public safety. In community engagement, community clusters and training programs, and next performance evaluation and system optimization. And coming to project cost, we have the Darwin Smart City project to be prepared in MS project with a schedule of activities and resource plan, which can consist of tasks and corresponding costs to allocated certain resources, set of resources in the given structures called project planning and infrastructure development. And everything will be, the table will be containing and the duration and the estimated cost. And the next will be explained by one of my friend.
Hi, good morning. This is Vishnu. In this project, my topic is about project crashing. The incorruption of these elements into the report will provide a takeover of stakeholders such that they will have total knowledge of the project scope, timeline, and budget, as well as resource requirements. Through this project, stakeholders will be making informed decisions and projects will be better managed from inception to completion of the project. Project tracing is a deliberate approach under which the project completion time is steeply decreased by zeroing in on the schedule but without suffering quality loss. To cut 10% of the project duration, a proper project crashing plan would consider a systematic analysis of critical path activities and list the tasks that can be accelerated through the involvement of additional resources and increased effort. The schedule should emphasize clinical pathways that have the maximum impact on project timelines. The duration of crucial tasks can be shortened by allocating above normal resources such as manpower or equipment to those areas. The continued operation, monitoring, and evaluation of this plan are vital for the success for the project and the adherence to its budget. Stakeholder communication regarding the schedule changes as well as resource reallocation among all stakeholders is a critical factor that ensures the successful implementation of project crashing. Next conclusion will continue my one of my teammate.
Coming to conclusion, the Darwin Smart City initiative is the manifestation of an ambition bold enough to build a green, technology-friendly metropolis city. By satisfying the needs of stakeholders and strictly adhering to the project management procedures and preserving the ethics standards, this endeavor will result in gains for the residents and the businesses. Tailor-made planning and monitoring systems will have Darwin City known as the smart city development model worldwide. Thank you.